Flat black finish. Fixture width. 1 inch, 25.4 mm fixture projection, 1-25 32 inch, 45.72 mm. 35 pounds. 16 kilograms. Max weight capacity when mounted into solid wood or wood studs. Includes mounting hardware and installation instructions. Durable zinc alloy construction. 5-pack. Top reviews from the United States. Towel hooks. We prefer this style hook over a rack when it comes to hanging our bath towels. This pack of 5 hooks was perfect for what we were needing in our new home. The included screws were a bit short and I wasn't sure if they would support the weight of a wet towel fresh out of the shower, so we used longer screws we had on hand instead. These hooks serve their purpose. I am pleased with my purchase. The Amazon Basics brand has yet to disappoint.